So today we have brought 11 members of the estimating team and the projects team out of the office and out of their comfort zone. We wanted to introduce them into the life of an installer and what it takes to install a beam and block floor, so the guys could get the hands-on experience that we think make the difference when communicating with customers over the phone. They're very well trained with the theory, but in terms of living with the install, touching it and feeling it, we think that makes a real difference, helping them understand.
Well, instead of doing this, I would usually do designs for floors, different houses, or even schools and care homes, depends on the job itself.
Today kind of looks like, you know, getting down and dirty, getting in with the installers, learning how they do their job, which is beneficial for us when we're talking to a customer.
So today I am here to kind of expand my knowledge, understand what other members of Floorspan could kind of be up to on their day-to-day. So I'm taking part in an install. So we've just finished setting the beam. I've done a bit of laying the slips with mortar.
So we've got quite a nice crew, so I think today's going to run quite smoothly. Expecting to learn quite a bit, and it should help out with my day-to-day work back in the office.
I'm normally in the office. I would be doing the blank drawings and designs.
I wanted them to understand the real impact of carrying these blocks, just how heavy they are. I want them to understand the type of work that they are giving to these installers and what they are asking them to do, what they're expecting from it. There's no better way to do that than them do it themselves. But in the video, you might notice there are two different types of blocks, one heavier than the others, because depending on the construction of the house, there could be a heavier blockwork wall for the partitions, it could be a lighter blockwork wall. I wanted the team to kind of understand the difference between these materials and the impact on carrying them themselves.
We always sort of knew that it would be physically demanding, but you never really know quite how it's going to be until you're here. And then you're watching the experienced guys and they're knocking it out real quick, and we're there bumbling along. You get an appreciation for their trade.
Lyndon's joined us today as well. He was telling me yesterday how he started off by doing the on-site job. So he's been here explaining everything to us in finer detail, breaking everything down, exactly what we have to do and why we're doing it, some tips and tricks of the trade and what might be useful. He's been here sort of overseeing obviously everyone from a safety perspective, also from a learning perspective as well.
It's very important. We take health and safety very seriously. We want everyone to go home safe after we've done a really good job. You spend all day bending over, lifting heavy things. Lifting from the knees is important. Looking around, taking care of yourself, taking care of your teammates, that's actually most important.
You appreciate the hard work and the effort that they do to make sure that the floors are fitted properly, make sure the quality's there, and a newfound appreciation for what they do.
So I would say there's something that I could take away from today that would help me with my job is kind of understanding how to convey to a customer the importance of having the right team to install it, how Floorspan is our system. We know the perfect way to do it. If there's ever any issues on site, we're the best place to be able to fix it.
Gives me a better understanding from the very start of a project. So when it first comes in from the quotation stage, down to the pricing stage and the estimating stage, and then all the way down to the finishing bit, which is the finished floor.
Yeah, with the 11 people here today, I'm incredibly proud of them. I can't tell you how well they've done. Matt Crofts, our contracts manager, took extra great care in preparing for us today, and they've all turned up ready to work. They've all arrived early. Some guys got up as early as 5:30 to be here this morning, pushing them really out of their comfort zone and with full enthusiasm. You can't ask for much more out of staff than that.